Hi everyone, it's Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 40 by 50 centimetre or 15.7 by 19.7 inch canvas, and I've put some charcoal grey, I guess it is, charcoal black, whatever, on there, and I have in my little dustpan these paints that I scooped up off the table here from a previous pour, and as you can see the pattern on there is really nice, but I'm just going to put these colours on here and see what might happen. Okay, I'm happy with it just like that over there. And I've sort of done that, but that's okay, I'll just do this. Right, and where's my cloth? There it is. And I rather like that. And I've got silicone in some of the colours, and so I'm starting to get cell activity already here. So what I've got here are the leftover colours from this previous pour, and I thought I might use the same. May as well put them in and do a scoop. Scoop them over and see what pretty things I can get, and maybe tilt. That's why I put those on there. I really need to put this down so that I can scrape the colours out, because there isn't a lot in each of the cups, but there is some, and I'd rather not waste it if I don't have to. Oops, standing up. Take that off there too. Over here. So what colours do I have, you ask? I have green, cyan blue, turquoise, orange, burnt sienna, lemon yellow, mauve, black and white, and this charcoal as well, of course. And I'm just putting these colours in as they go. Going to have a bit of fun. I don't know how that mauve goes. I always find mauve's a little bit dull. Could be wrong, but that's how I find it. And the lemon yellow. Black. There's not a lot of black, but there is a little bit. Don't need a lot of black usually. It'll bring up the colours all on its little own. So, and last but not least, some white. Now what I'm going to do with that white is keep some of it. Then I'm just going to run the knife through. I'll show you how that's done, just to get some patterns going here from where I threw the colours on. And I would have liked to have had my scoop here. All right, where are you? You'll do, come with me. It's a little shovel, little kiddie shovel. And so here we go, with our lovely colours. Ooh, yes. I'll just bring that over there. And one around here. some colours through here. And I'll bring you around. You can come down. Just a little link up here. And I have some pretty colours just in this section here. And with that orange. And bring it. Okay. And I think that's about what I'm going to do. I was going to see about a tilt, but I'm not going to do that either. Good morning, Dion. My grandson's just arrived. Cover up some of these little loopers. Okay, so that looks nice. So I'm just going to torch this and see if there's any magic going to happen. Got some lovely cell action going on there, and I'll bring you down to have a look. I'm not going to tilt it or anything. I think it's just lovely the way it is. And the recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find below the video under show more. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us there. That's what I've been looking at. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up videos into YouTube. If you don't want the extra videos, please still subscribe. Just don't click the little bell. But it is nice to know when somebody's put something up. That blue's lovely, isn't it, eh? That's cobalt. And lemon yellow, orange, mauve. The mauve's behaved itself. The yellow didn't run away. I quite often lose the yellows. I think that's kind of funny. And you can see the cells really pretty. They'll develop a little bit more as the painting dries. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.